This is the new case. This is a flat black ballistic material with a hexagon pattern pressed into the case, handle on one side, these nice zippers. Inside the top cover is a zippered compartment. You can put your batteries, your wallet, your phone, your cables, car keys, whatever. It's handy to have a zippered compartment. Then you're confronted with this piece of foam. This is the legend. You're going to want to hold on to this legend because this foam can come apart and go back together. I've put this one together probably 20 times. You can see this compartment right here. Isn't that interesting that that's sized perfectly for a GoPro camera? The top half of this compartment, which it's split right here, and I can just pull this foam out, right? That opening right there is a perfect opening for a GoPro case. And when I say perfect, I mean it fits in there perfectly. It's stuck in the foam. It can't come out. When you put your camera equipment in the case, you put this piece of foam back on. It protects your camera from anything on this side. So whatever you have in this zippered compartment is not going to be banging into your camera equipment. Okay, so let's go ahead and look underneath this piece of foam. You've got a piece of foam on the bottom side of your camera. You've got foam fitting tightly all around your cameras. And then you have a foam cover on top in a case that zips up tight and keeps that protected. Well, let's see. Let's take out the bottom half of this. Let's say we want to just put a GoPro camera in here. I could take that camera and fit it neatly right there. I can take this piece of foam right here that I just pulled out, and I can put that right in here. Right? And I can put that camera back in, and now it's held snugly in there. That's a, that won't fall out. That's a nice tight fit. So you can do things like that. You can adjust the fit. And then once again, you can refer back to the legend and you just put this back together. Two different camera fits, and we get to start over again. And that's the Hive Case.